some balance in my life, but I never really put.
Hello, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. On today's video is a Target haul. I went to Target a few weeks ago and I got a lot of stuff from Target, and Target is one of my most shop place to buy beauty stuff. When it comes to beauty stuff, I literally go to Target every time. And not maybe because Target is very close to my house, but also I just really love the way Target is. I love the way they set their beauty stuff. There's like there are very variety of things you can buy in a cheaper price. For me, I think their pricing is really reasonable, so I really like Target. When it comes to shopping, Target is one of my most shop place, and I just really like Target as a person. I think everyone likes Target, that's what I think, but I think Target is a very good place to shop. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I bought, and this will be my first impression about this stuff, because I haven't used most of the things that I bought today. I haven't used them before, so this is just going to be my initial impression about them, and maybe when I finish using it, I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think about it after using it. But this is just my first impression, and I'm going to be telling you guys why I buy them and if I think they're worth buying. But this is my first impression. So but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm also going to put a link in the description below to everything I'll be talking about today. But without further ado, let's dive into my first item, which is very important to me, is this face wash. So this is the face wash that I bought, and it's from the brand called the Cetaphil face cleanser. I really love this face cleanser. I've used a little bit from it, but I really love this face cleanser. And before I bought the face cleanser, because I was so very careful of what I use on my face, I made sure that I check every review on this face cleanser to make sure that it was a good one. And everything that I've read about this face cleanser and everything I've watched has been a very positive face cleanser, and it doesn't have fragrance. So that's a very good quality when it comes to buying a face wash. Make sure that it doesn't have a fragrance, because like most of the face wash that you see, most of them have fragrance, which is not really good for your skin. So I think I really love this face mask, and I've heard a lot of review from even medical personnel who said this is a very good face wash to buy. And I just really like the face wash in general. I think it's a very good face wash. I needed to buy a face wash, and I told myself I'm gonna buy a face wash. I need to buy the one that is the best, because I'm so very careful with my face. I don't want anything to like spoil my face. So when I saw this face mask, I was so happy and excited about it. So I'm happy to really got this face mask. I think it's worth to try, but I really like it so far, and I think I would really recommend this face wash if you really need to buy a face wash. And it works for all kind of skin, and it just help clean without leaving your skin dry or tighten. So it's a really good a face mask, face wash for sure. I really like it, so I'm really gonna be recommending this one. And the second one is going to be this mascara that I bought. I really love mascara, and even though I don't put I've never like wear eyelash before, I've always tried to use mascara because I think I have reasonable long eyelash, natural eyelash, so I like using mascara. Mascara has been something that has always been one of my top beauty stuff to have in my wardrobe. So I really like this mascara. I just recently got this. I've never used this brand, so I really don't know how it's gonna work, but I think it's mascara probably is gonna be a good one either way. But this is so far, I really like the mascara. I haven't used it, but I'm gonna be using it and telling you guys if I really like it. But this is the one, that volume. I really like it. It's a good mascara. I've heard a lot about this brand also, but I just don't know if I'm gonna like it. But so far I think I like it so far. And the fourth one is going to be this this mechanical eyelash coiler. So eyelash coiler is something that I haven't used before, and it's not because I don't want to, it's because I really don't have reason to use it, because I've never used like the fake eyelash or the real one. I've never literally used eyelash before, so I really didn't have a reason to use this face coiler. But when I decided that I wanted to start using eyelash, the fake one, I was like, okay, I need to buy eye coiler. So I just bought the basic things that I think I need to be able to put my fake eyelash. So this is the one I got, and this is a very good brand that I've heard about, and I think I bought this for like $4, so it wasn't really that expensive. But I think it's just an eyelash that really helps just make it easy to put your fake eyelash or whatever eyelash you're putting. I think this is a very good one. This is for the leaf, and I've heard a lot about this brand also. I think it's a very good eyelash so far, and I just really like it. I really like it. This is my first impression, but so far I think I like it. I don't know how to use it, but I'm going to learn. Yeah, we are all learning, right? So I'm going to be learning how to use this. And so the fifth one is going to be this eyelash himself. So like you guys heard me, I said I've never put an eyelash before, so I don't know how eyelash is gonna look on me, but I've seen it on other people and I think it literally looked great. It's just that I didn't know how to put it myself. I was just always careful with my eyes. I didn't really want to damage my eyes, or I was just really very careful with my eyes. So but I decided to like, okay, why not give it a try? Why not try to put a fake eyelash? So this is a fake eyelash that I got, and this is a very good brand that I've heard a lot about also. And I bought this from Target, and I think I got it for like $5 or $4, I'm not sure, but it wasn't like more than $5, but it was just the basic eyelash that I got, and I think I like it so far. This is my first impression. I just don't know if I will be able to put it well, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna make a video wearing this to show you guys how it looks, but this will be my first eyelash, and I really hope it goes well. I really hope it looks good on me, because I want to be wearing eyelash. Just want to make sure that I know how to put them, and that's the reason why I haven't wear eyelash before. But this is the one I bought, and I think I like it so far. This is my first impression, and I think so far I really like this eyelash, and definitely gonna be putting more eyelash if I did do it well. And the sixth one is going to be this nail polish. So this is the nail polish I got, and it's from the brand called More Than Magic. So this is like more of a kid brand. They do a lot of cute like lipstick, cute shampoo. They do a lot of cute stuff. So it's a cute friendly nail polish. I really like this nail polish. I think it has different colors. I haven't used it also, but it has like different, it's like set of 5 in 1. It has different colors, and I just really like it. That, like I said, it's a kid friendly kind of nail polish. So I really like it. I think it's, so far I like this is my first impression, and it has a lot of color that I really like, and like I said, it's More Than Magic. I really like it so far. I can't go wrong with this. I think so far this is very good. I really like what I see. I love the colors. I'm going to be putting them on my nails and tell you guys what I feel about it. But this is the one I got, and it's called the More Than Magic, and I really like it for sure. I really like it. I'm definitely going to be using more of this. And so the seventh one is going to be this HAUL gel. So HAUL gel has been one thing that I've always found it difficult to find, not because I don't want to find. I've used different HAUL gel because I have a really thick natural hair, so to find a HAUL gel has been for sure been very difficult for me. I tried so much to find a good HAUL gel. Like I tried so much to look for a good HAUL gel, but always find it difficult to find the best one. So when I find the best one, I try so much to use. But this is the one I got from the Cotton Shell Butter. This is the natural retention hair styling and gel styling. I really like this HAUL product as a general. I haven't used the HAUL gel before, so I don't know how this is gonna look on me, but I love their products because I've used their hair shampoo, I've used their hair conditioner before, and I know they really work so good natural hair. So they are good products that I have not used when it comes to the HAUL gel, but I think they have good HAUL product. So this is the HAUL product that I got, and I think I like it. I like what I'm seeing so far. I think it's gonna be a good one. I think it's gonna be a good one. I really hope it help retain my hair and my thick hair. It just makes it stay healthy. But I love the fact that there's shea butter in it, and there's also olive oil, so I think it's a good quality to have good ingredients to be in a hair gel. So I think I like it so far. My first impression is good, and I really recommend, if you have natural hair, just try this and tell me if you've used this before. Tell me what you think, and if you have any good suggestion for other hair gel, please comment below and let me know, because I'm just trying to look for perfect hair gel for my hair. And the eighth one is going to be this hair conditioner. It's from also the same product. From the same product. I really like this air conditioner. I've used the air conditioner, and the reason why I buy a big one is I have the small one is because I have a big one I'm still using, but I wanted to show you guys, and I was like, oh, let me just buy the small one to use it and the sample to show you guys. But this is the one I've been using. This is the air conditioner. I also have the air shampoo, but the air conditioner I really like. I think they really help my hair stay healthy and moisturized, and they just help my hair to not break a lot, because I have a natural hair. When I comb my hair breaks a lot. So I really love the fact that this hair shampoo really help my hair not to break so much. So I really like this hair shampoo, and for sure I'm definitely going to be recommending this hair shampoo. If you have a natural hair, try this hair shampoo, try this hair conditioner. I think you're gonna like it. I think it's very good. It's a good brand in general. I think I really like it. And the ninth one is going to be this face scrub. So this is the face scrub that I got, and yeah, I just really don't know why I bought this face scrub. But I think when I bought this face scrub was I had a little bit pimples, so I was having a little breakout, and I was like, oh, I needed to buy something, but I wasn't sure about this brand. I bought it from Target also, and it was supposed to be compared to the ST Leave face scrub. So I was like, yeah, ST Leave face scrub, I've heard a lot about it, maybe not too positive or too good review, but I wanted to buy something to help my breakout, so I decided to buy this, and this one was very cheap. It was very cheap. It was like $1 or $2 or so, but it was very cheap, and I just wanted to buy something to try it out. So this is one I bought, and I think I really like it. It helped blemishing control face scrub. It helped treat your like acne, pores, whatever you have. I think this is a very good face scrub. I think I like it for sure. I think I really like it. I haven't used this so much because I try not to have breakout. I try to eat healthy, but I'm not gonna say I eat healthy, but I try so much to take care of my face. Maybe that's the reason why, but I really like it so far. I think it's worth trying, and like I said, it's just $2, so try it and let me know if you've tried this face scrub from Target. And the last one, which is going to be this cotton bud. So I really like cotton bud in general. I can tell you guys, cotton bud is one of my most used beauty stuff because I do my nails. I use it for different stuff. When it comes to cotton bud, I think it's versatile. You can use it for different stuff. And it's from the jumbo. This is the jumbo cotton bud. And when it comes to cotton bud, I'm not going to tell you to buy this brand because cotton bud is cotton bud. At the end of the day, they all play the same rule, which is to clean your nails or to use like as beauty stuff. So I think cotton bud is one of the basic I use in my wardrobe, and I think I just really like it. I think it's a very good cotton bud. I've used this brand a lot. I've used different brands. I just buy cotton bud. The cotton bud is what I bought, and I think I bought this for like $2, and I just really like it. I think cotton bud is one thing that I'll always have in my wardrobe regardless. It's very good. I think I really like it. So these are the things that I bought from Target. These are all the things that I bought. Yeah, it's a lot. I know it's a lot, but yeah, like I said, I love Target. I love buying stuff from Target. So these are my first impression on all the things that I bought. So I'm going to be making the second impression. When I finish using them, I'm going to make final impression, telling you guys if it was worth buying. But I'm going to be making a final review on them. But these are the things that I bought. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm also going to put a link in the description below to everything that I've talked about today. But if there's any other video you guys would love to see me talk about, please comment below, and I'll be very, very happy to make those videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing to my channel, for just supporting me, for always coming back to watch my video. That means so much to me, and thank you so much, and hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you guys next time. Bye.